Hello. In this video, we'll be going over some of the questions that people may have when it comes to adding a third-party consent to your Form 2290. So this is a module that's built in to the software when you're preparing your Form 2290, and you can choose to allow a third party to receive information or not. If you simply don't want to, you can click the Not Applicable tab and move on. But I would say third parties usually consist of one of three categories when it comes to a trucking company. Either your paid tax preparer, an employee of the company, or a family member. So let's say that you want to include your tax preparer. You would include that. You would enter this information about your tax preparer. And then if they have a CPA firm, then you would enter the information about that firm. This is required if you wish to allow the IRS to give information directly to your tax person. If you don't do this, they're not going to be able to help you when it comes to getting information from the IRS. So same thing applies to either an employee or a family member. In this case, John Doe is the president of this trucking company, and if he completes this form without doing the consent information, then the IRS will only talk to him. But if he chooses to have one of his employees designated as the point of contact, he can put in that designee's name. This could be a fleet manager, it could be an admin person, it could be whoever he wants to. Name, phone number, and then a 5-digit PIN of that person's choosing. So that would allow that person to receive information from the IRS. And then the third box is consent to disclose data to the Department of Transportation. Again, optional. You check it or you don't.